All right, Isabel had $304.85. Then she bought an item for $19. Now this gives it away, the fact that this is a subtraction problem. But it is a subtraction problem, and now she's losing $19 from what she had. So we're subtracting 19, but remember, we're lining it up with the dot. There is no dot in 19, but in fact there is, it's just invisible. And what can we put over here? 2 zeros. And now let's do the subtraction problem. 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 0 is 8, dot, 4 minus 9. Can't do that, we gotta borrow from the 3. This becomes 10, make it a 9, and this becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 2 minus nothing is 2. 285.